Horizon4Poland 2023 is the largest matchmaking event in the R&D sector in Poland, enhancing participation in the Horizon for Europe program. The event is organized every year by industry contact points powered by Łukasiewicz Research Network. It creates a networking and matchmaking space for sharing experiences and fostering synergy of innovative project ideas between entrepreneurs and leading R&D institutions all over Europe. The 2023 edition of Horizon4Poland was opened by one of the most influential and inspiring keynote speakers. Additionally, 7 thematic breakout sessions enabled joining the community of European innovation leaders through European partnerships focused on key areas of Europe's development, including sustainability, digitalization, industry, climate, energy, mobility, construction, lithium-ion batteries, photonics, food and health. Industry contact points and EU partnerships presented the opportunities of engagement in initiatives under which the European Commission, together with private and public partners, cooperate in building strategic research and innovation agendas. Another excellent way to bring attendees together was during 15 thematic roundtable discussions. Our participants could discuss in detail open calls available to apply in 2024 under Horizon Europe program. Also, pitching session enjoyed great interest among the participants. It gave an exceptional opportunity to present project ideas, showcase the organizations, and look for potential partners for future project consortiums. Last but not least, matchmaking sessions with over 50 tables for individual meetings offered a chance to make business contacts and discuss further ways to enhance mutual collaborations. Horizon4Poland 2023 shapes the future of innovation development across all EU member states. Take advantage of this exclusive opportunity and reach your industry contact point that assists in obtaining funds from the Horizon Europe program.